And it's part 2, Patriots. Look at this. Beautiful.
Well, you said something, so a lot of times Friday night...
Fellow Patriots is standing up for our president. Look at this. Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Go cry to mommy. Look at this. Amazing turnout, Patriots. Look at that. The silent majority is silent no more. Look at this, Patriots. Beautiful. Look at me waving my flag, guys. No fear. Look at this. As far as I can see, support for President Trump is hot. It's stronger than it was in 2016. We got that awesome store over there. Trump 2020! Woo! So great to be with like-minded Patriots.
That's what he said.
Woo! Yeah! Yeah. Yeah, as far as you can see, support for President Trump is strong. It's amazing. Awesome turnout today. This is gonna go on my Facebook, by the way. Hopefully. You gotta see it. Woo! Go 2020! Yeah, typical, huh?
Yeah. I mean, I can't help it. I'm sorry.
They want a civil war, too.
Yes, yes.
Woo! Yeah! Come on, Patriots. Do this in your town. Woo! We always support our law enforcement, our first responders, and our fire department. We back the blue. Look at that. Amazing turnout here, guys. Awesome.
This is what I've been hearing. Thank God I got thousands of dollars.
The silent majority is speaking up, Patriots.